Come on, Everett.
Yeah.
Come on, Everett.
Come on. Nice.
Come on, Everett. Yes, dude.
Fuck yeah. Shout out to Solution Comp for fucking popping on every move. But now my toe's stuck in this hole.
Nice.
Actually, look at.
Hold on. Let me get a better view.
It's out.
It's out now.
Fucking final, dude.
Nice, dude.
That's like a more enjoyable exit, I think. Keep that bitch rolling, Jack.
Oh, I am. Kind of a crazy fall if it would have happened. All right.
Come on, Devin.
Come on, hold it, dude. Come on. Come on, Devin.
Come on, Devin.
Come on, right there. Twist it. Get it. Come on, Devin. All you got. Good, Devin. Come on.
Come on, Devin.
Come on. Next one's good.
You're good, Devin. Come on. Try hard.
Come on, dude.
Fucking sick.
Come
on,
on.
Devin.
You got this.
This ledge up here is pretty good. Good. Match it up, and then this thing's the biggest jug you'll ever do.
Come on.
Yeah,
It's a jug.
fat jug. Yep.
Yes. Did we just have a triple centering?
That's a fucking clip and a half. Holy shit.
I kept it rolling too.
I know. That's like the clip.
Hey, the two different exits of diamond right there.
Dude.
Yes, sir.
Dude.
Let's go.
Nice work, guys. Very good.
I was like, I have to fucking sim this now.
That was sick, Devin.
So
Say
Jackie,
something funny.
3, 2, 1.
Penis
August.
cheese.
Oh. Wow.
Sorry.
Oh, rock climbing.
What a good day.
Rock climbing.